What's up guys, and welcome to this video. Today guys, I will share with you the best setting for Lenovo Legion R27qe. So guys, let's get started. This is the best setting guys. For the game mode, select the standard overdrive, select level 2 and give almost 3 milliseconds for GTG, minimal ghosting, and adaptive sync guys, give auto on, display on, port auto on, and MPRT select off. For refresh rate control guys, you must select control off, and for screen OCD you should be make setting brightness 100 and contrast 75, and for DCR dynamic make contrast off, and for HDR select off, it's not true HDR, and for dark boost select level 4 and default off, and for sharpness select 50, and then relative gamma select off. And this is some additional guys setting. You can also add this, use display port 1.4 to access for 180 Hz and 10-bit colors. This is some display HDR globally in Windows, OCD and game. This is some of the best setting guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content. Any question guys down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as